When a job is completed, the resource can go to RB Web and do an online turn-in, and the office will be notified via the message center. Now, if you do not have RB Web or you do not want your resources to do online turn-in, then they'll simply have to email you or fax you the billing sheet along with an ASCII file, and your production department has to do a function called turn-in. When you have a billing sheet from the resource in an ASCII file, go to production and pull up a function called turn-in. Or you can use this icon here that it is a inbox with a piece of paper coming in. That's also turn-in. So you can just simply click on that function or icon turn-in. In the job number field, simply type in the job number that is on the billing sheet. Let's say we are about to turn in job 11655. Now, if you do not know the job number, or you feel that resource maybe put down the wrong job number, then you can use the search filter such as the resource name or the case name or the job date range to find out the actual job number. But since we have the job number, once I enter, I'm just going to hit the enter key and the job will come up. I can either double click or I hit enter key again. Now, when you come into the turn-in window, I usually maximize this window because as a production person or as a billing person, you probably will work with this window all day. So go ahead and maximize it to make it as large as possible so you can see more information on the screen. Now, when you do that, there's a probably trick that you need to know. If you want to go back to the original RB, the RB itself, for example, you need to look at a job or go look at the attorney or law firm, whatever, use the Alt tab. Press your Alt key, Alt key down and hit the Tab key, and then it'll pull up every single program you currently have open in your Windows. So for example, that is my Reporter Base 8, this is my Outlook, this is my Explorer, and then that is the turn-in. So you can actually see what each icon represents, and simply you want to go back to regular RBA, simply let it go, and then you can do Alt Tab again, and then this time go back to your turn-in screen, and so on and so forth. So when you maximize the turn-in screen, use the Alt Tab, go back and forth quickly from regular RB to the one detail screen. Now, the turn-in screen is divided into 4 sections or 4 quadrants or 4 steps, and we'll go through each step in much detail short while. And you can also notice that next to the job number there is the view button, next to the case number, and so on. So if you need to see more details about the job or case itself, simply click that view button so that you can see more information about the job without going out of this turn-in screen.